Welcome to Parent Communication with Google. This is Lesson 1 on Google Drive. My name is Robert Breedlove. I teach 5th grade at Woodside Elementary in Hartford, Michigan. Okay, so I think it's important to talk about why Google Drive. We're going to use Google Drive in 5th grade for our students to use Google Sheets to track their data. So everything that students do in class will be in this Google Sheet. My plan is to share this Google Sheet with all of my parents. That way my parents, you, can see exactly what's going on in your student's classroom. We have a lot of exciting things going on in the data tracker, some different ways to communicate, and I think it'll be really helpful so that everybody's on the same page. Our lesson objectives today are to sign up for Gmail or Google Drive, number 1, and number 2, to navigate to Google Drive. Google Drive is a place to create, store, and collaborate with documents, spreadsheets, and other applications. I'll show you an example here of collaboration using Google Documents.
Oh, here she comes. She's a scary lady. She's an angry tiger. She's a man gobbler. Eater. She's a man eater. Oh, here she comes. Watch out, boy. She'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes.
Okay, our next question is going to be, how do I sign up for Gmail or Google Drive? Okay, I'm going to start with my desktop. You can use any web browser to sign up for Google Drive, Safari or Internet Explorer or whatever else that you like to use. Today we're going to use Google Chrome. When I go to Google Chrome, it automatically pops up Google, but if it doesn't on yours, go ahead and type in google.com. And when you're at Google, you can click the sign in, or for you it might say sign up. For me, I've got several emails, several Gmails, several Google accounts. For you, it may not show any. So what you're going to want to do is click on Add Account. Now from this page, if you have a Gmail, you can go ahead and sign in. If you don't have a Gmail, if we're creating a Gmail or creating a Google account, you're going to want to click on Create an Account. Once you're here, you're going to go through the process. You're going to put in your first name, your last name. You can choose to use your own email address, which I'm going to do here. I'm going to type in another email address that I've had for a while at Hotmail. It's breedlove995@hotmail.com. I'm going to use that one. I need to create an account password for my Google Drive. I'm going to skip the mobile phone number for now. We don't have to put that in. I do have to put in the verification to prove that I'm not a robot, and then I have to agree to the policy. Now from this part, I can verify my email address just by clicking on verify and signing into my Hotmail account. Okay, but if I don't want to do that, I can close this window, and on the bottom here I can click to receive a verification email to my email that I've associated with Google Drive. Okay, so how do I navigate to Google Drive? Now that you've signed up, you can see if I go to Google and I'm not signed in, there's nothing there. A couple ways you can do this. You can click on the 9 dots. It'll show you all the applications that you have signed up for, and one of those is Google Drive. So if you click on Google Drive, it'll take you to the sign in page. And the other way to do that is just to click sign in. And that will also take you to the sign in page. And then from there, you can go to the applications button and get to Google Drive. The most important one for you is going to be that shared with me on the left hand side. That's going to be where you can find your students' data trackers. Okay, thank you for viewing Parent Communication with Google Lesson 1. Again, my name is Robert Breedlove. I teach 5th grade at Woodside Elementary in Hartford, Michigan. If you have any issues or questions or concerns, please call the number on the screen, 269-993-4951. Feel free to email me anytime, breedlover@hpsmi.org. When you've finished creating your Google account, be sure to email me at breedlover@hpsmi.org your Google account email or your Gmail. Then I can share with you that data tracker that will help you stay informed with what your students do in class.